so stretchy. Oh, hey guys! Today I will show you this clip set with hair set. Let's go show you. Okay, let's unbox it. So you have to cut with scissors. So there is different colors. There is purple, blue, green and pink. And also this is the hair band. And there is red, pink, yellow, purple, blue, green. So many different colors. And this is clip set. Hair clip. So let's unbox the hair set. So there is these two pieces. You have to cut right. First let me cut right. Okay. You can see these, you have to cut with scissors. This one, okay? Put it aside. And this is small stretch only. Don't stretch long. And look at this. Blue and this is the hair band. You can wear this like that. You can have it on now. And there is different colors. Purple is my favorite color. Pink is my favorite color. So many different colors are mine. Now let's go see this one. Now, so there it is. Yes. Okay. So this is by DMart. Okay. Oh, what is this? So this is not like this. Actually, it is different. So this stretchy. You can put hair like that. Also, you can wear this. Stretchy blue. Okay. Now let's go see this hair clip set pack. Look at this. So it has a pink, light pink color. Now it is rainbow color. Look at this. And this is same. Now let's go show you. So I will take this, and the back is the yellow color, and back is white and the dark pink. Now I will show you how to wear it. You have to open it, simple, and you have to wear like this. See, now it is off. If you like my channel, please subscribe to it with this